Chokwadi chobuda pachena kuti why ma war veterans are supporting VP Constantino Chiwenga. Panguva inokunikwa kunzi there is another faction with the ruling party ZANU-PF iri kuonekwa kunzi iri kuteverera VP Constantino Chiwenga iri against Zvigananda. Ichionekwa kunzi it is being ill treated especially iri Masvingo. Sarabira mashoko abuda nyongwa panguva ino inedhemera Masvingo ichisiya no stone unturned. Todobva subscribe or like wotina on the bell icon. Tipinda pana pamudhemira Masvingo vanobuda vachinyora vachiti 700 war veterans and staunch ZANU-PF supporters are stranded at Klipsham farm in Masvingo after their 1.5 hectare plots, which they have offered letters for and have stayed on for the last 21 years, were taken over by children of top ZANU-PF leaders and powerful businessmen connected to the party, and 1,167.20 hectare land is being turned into smart city. The land barons have already constructed the roads through the plots, and although the war veterans were promised a meeting and alternative land, government has remained mum since last year. Ironically, Klipsham Farm is home to some of the most notorious war veterans and party supporters who terrorized opposition members in Ezra Chazamira's constituency. Government responded by sending riot police on horsebacks and dogs when the group tried to resist construction of roads through their plots. Subdivided stands have benefited senior government officials, including several working in Chazamira's office. The group is appealing to President Mnangagwa to intervene and help them. Mashoko ari zviri kuitika nemawo veterans vanoonekwa kunzi mawo veterans akawanda nemastaunch ZANU-PF supporters they are being ill treated nekuda kwevanhu vari connected nezvigananda with the ruling party ZANU-PF. Vina comment section medu dzavafungura enyu motodi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.